Order number 04920, the customer sent us this custom painted PS5 controller. It's got a cool red and white custom paint job. But this controller has a power issue. When you hit the power button, you get 3 orange lights. It does the same thing when you plug it into a computer. So let's get this controller opened up. We can take a look at that circuit board, see what's going on. And after a visual inspection, you can see the customer tried to install Hall effect modules. They did a bit of damage to the circuit board. We can take a closer look under the microscope. There's lots of scratches on this board. These microphone connectors are burnt. The headphone jack is burnt. There's lots of scratches, which can cause a lot of issues on circuit boards. And there is this huge scratch on the other side of the circuit board. But surprisingly enough, the traces look fine, but this could definitely cause some issues down the road. But the biggest issue I found is that it's missing a resistor. The pads are still there. So we have a known good circuit board of the same model. We're going to go ahead and steal the resistor from the circuit board, make it easy for ourselves. I didn't want to use a hot air station. I didn't want to melt that connector. So we carefully extracted that. Now we got that installed in the customer's circuit board. And let's get it plugged in. So we have a known good battery installed. Let's get this plugged in. And this controller does turn on now. We did have to remove those old Hall effects that the customer installed. They were damaged from excessive heat and the solder joints didn't look very good. So we need to contact the customer and see if they want to continue with this repair. This circuit board could have a lot of other issues going on, but we really need to get the joysticks in, get it into a controller to really find all the issues. We might be able to save it, I'm not sure, but at least it does have power, just missing the resistor. We'll do another once over on the circuit board, see if anything else is missing. That's where we're going to have to end this one, and we'll talk to the customer.